Hey guys, we're back in another video of Jailbreak, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple things noobs will do in Jailbreak. So yes, I haven't done one of these videos. I'm going to be a bacon here today. Yeah. So yeah, whatever. I forget what I was talking about. These are a couple things bacon hairs will do in Roblox. So let's get to it. Number 2. That was how they try to break out sometimes. Now, number 2. So how do we do this? Oh, okay. So you click this. Yeah. Oh, I want a car. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Number 3. Guys, sometime comment down below if you want me to make a music video called Rich Bacon Hair. We're gonna be a bacon hair, but we're gonna have a money necklace. And we're gonna look rich. Now, anyway, let's get back to the video. I wonder what this. Oh, I did it. I did it. I think I can do it. Just gotta do that. I somehow jumped over that here. Number 4. Oh my. Let's do that again. Number 5. Number 5 is I'm gonna pickpocket you. So yeah. I'm gonna pickpocket you. Pickpocket. I'll just rip off your hair. I don't want to pick it up. Oh, dang it. I got away. He got away. How dare I not able to pickpocket him? Let's go back. Guys, and now we're gonna do number 6. This is what they do as a cop. I'm gonna take the helicopter. Do that. Yeah, it's the helicopter. No, it was the helicopter. Julie, Bobby. I need to get in. I think it's this way. Now try that again. Right there. Yeah. A spaceship. I will get distracted, but this I have to see. Oh, look at this. Look at that. No. The dumb air. Dumb air. Yeah, guys. And now we're gonna do number 7. Yes, I did get that on camera. Stop asking me if I got that on camera. I'm doing dumb bacon here. So, you wanna come with me? I have something to do. I'll try to arrest you from here. So, I'm gonna do this, and now I'm gonna do this. They go around arresting everyone. I have a lot of money, so I'm not gonna arrest him. I'm not losing it. Or this is what they do. 4. Yeah, I don't care. Oh, bank robbery! Go. There you go, guys. Number 8. Eight. A big robbery. Finally, I can go get it. Wait. Yeah, drive. What? Big robbery. Hey. I'm gonna make it. Austin, and go, come on. helicopter is back. No yard. Get out of here. No helping prisoners. Ah! Okay, I'm going into space. Oh! Duh. Guys, now I'm just gonna play normal as a prisoner. We're gonna be a normal person right now. We're just gonna play it. That wasn't 10 exactly, that was only 8. But I don't think it's all I can really do, guys. So, yes, we're gonna switch them. I'm gonna go prisoner and be a prisoner. Oh, to look at that. Oh, I know. I'm sure your little secret. Even though I'm big in here, I don't care if anyone thinks I'm dumb. I'm not dumb. So, gonna go this way. Blow the wall. Wait a minute, I already showed that like 10 videos. Yeah. Whatever. Who cares? But this is how you do it. So, you just go really far out. And then, don't think I'm stupid right now. But I'm not. Yeah. Tap for it. Tap for it. Boom. That's how you do it, guys. And then, get a car. What other base you spawn to get a car? I like the gray ones the best. I don't know why. I just think they look really cool. So guys, we are gonna so yeah, it's like you can't get out this trunk. So yeah. I don't care about that guy. Not at all. Oh, get it. Oh, did I? Okay. So as. Okay. Go car away. Hey, there's mine.